It's my first time to be in SM. I'm so excited.
Wait, babae po siya?
Lalaki po.
Thank you so much. Baby pa lang.
6 months.
Sabi sa iyo, baby.
Tama na, baka maging aso ka na.
Sabi ko, how